Hi everyone, it's me again. Now we're gonna show the meringue. And this is the opportunity to show you guys quickly how the meringue is made with this oven. You got the setting menu, you go into pastry, you don't have to do anything. It's all set and programmed for you guys. You go into pastry, you click pastry, you select the product. That is the meringue, you select it. Usually is between 3 or 4 hours baking. Now, what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna finish it in a different way. Use some chocolate, melted dark chocolate. You fill up your piping bag. Try not to leak it. Very tempted. Even for me, you cut the tip and you drizzle it like that on top. But this is how you finish the meringue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.